Hey everybody, this is Dexter B, Jenkins, and in this video I want to talk to you about the three wealth thieves: their debt, taxes, and inflation. I call it DTI. And when it comes to debt, you really have to have your own personal philosophy around it. There have been small wars fought over whether there's good debt, bad debt, so on and so forth. And as I said a few seconds ago, hey, you have to develop your own personal philosophy around debt. I will say this: I found that wealthy people tend to earn interest versus pay it. And so that's what you've got to do. And then also, if you're talking about debt, if you decide to go the right way, hey, I just want to pay everything off first. What you should be doing as you're doing that is you should be studying about how to invest, how to aggressively raise your income, because I believe every debt freedom plan must be accompanied by you learning how to invest as well as you learning how to increase your income aggressively. So that's debt. Then let's talk about taxes. Well, most of us have taxes on the mind. When I'm shooting this is April of 2023, so I'm trying to somewhat make this evergreen. But when you're talking about taxes, that's for the most part your biggest expense when it comes to your money. One of my mentors said the second biggest expense, because your biggest expense is ignorance. But when it comes to finance, that would be your second big expense is taxes. So you think about all the taxes that we pay. You're talking about income tax, sometimes federal and state. You're talking about excise tax, property tax, not just going on. So taxes are a big expense, and what you really have to do is you have to find a way to legally, keyword legally, to reduce and eliminate your taxes. You have to have a game plan to do that. One of the greatest tools to do that is this thing called real estate. You guys follow me, I'm big into real estate. There are tons of ways that you can reduce and eliminate your taxes to real estate. Another video, but that's just throwing a plug in there for that. And the last one is inflation. Well, inflation is this: it's the rising cost of goods and services. And so meaning that what you spent on bread last year, this time you're spending a lot more on bread and milk and so on and so forth. You bought a car for this amount last year, is probably a lot more now. Well, the thing is, how do you overcome inflation? You overcome inflation, really, in my opinion, by becoming aggressive and earning income. I've heard one of my mentors say this, that most issues around finances can be solved around cash flow and income. And so if you're aggressively increasing your income, if you're aggressively looking to make more money, so whether it's through your business or real estate or through your job, whatever else, as you aggressively seek to increase your income, and have multiple sources of them coming in, you'll find that inflation will not hinder you as hindering most. So hopefully this has helped you talking about debt, taxes, and inflation. If you aggressively tackle debt, taxes, and inflation, you'll be well on your way to building wealth. All right, hope this video helps. Talk to you soon. Be blessed. Bye-bye.